Hey, fellow Inside Out Missourians. I'm sitting here at Roaring River waiting for Michael to catch a fish. And I just got this entertainment where there's a bunch of different vultures. And this one particular one, he's trying to get down to the water, but the people that are with the fishing poles, they keep scaring him. So I wanted to see if he was actually going to get his drink. It's so cute to watch him. A couple of his buddies flying up in the tree. So far he's been the brave one, but I guess he's not going to get his drink. Too many anglers out here, I guess.